Hello, I am Stephanie. I did put this drawing here in the group. I did the drawing actually in the group, but I didn't show how I did the drawing. I just had the pen actually drawing it out. A few people asked how did I actually get to the feature, because they've been wanting to use the draw the it's called pen feature. So I'm going to show you today how to actually use the pen feature from step one. As you all join in the live, I'm going to go ahead and talk because I'm gonna leave it in the group, and I also post it on my Facebook. So this is the picture that I'm doing today. Yesterday we did SpongeBob. I'm doing Spider-Man today. So all I did was I saved the image to my computer, then I opened Cricut Design Space. I'm gonna go to new project. Y'all, I'm not gonna keep moving the camera because you guys, I don't want to make you dizzy. You all know where everything at. Okay, then I'm gonna go to upload. Then I'm gonna upload my image, and I'm gonna find my put my camera down so you don't see my files. But just a minute, I'm just gonna browse my files, and I'm gonna add that Spider-Man file. All right, I just added the file, and there it goes. And I always choose complex and continue. And to remove the background, you just hit around the background. And I should have should have chosen a different image. Yes, it's really tiny. Even though you can make it, I should have chosen a more faster image maybe. Oh look, I haven't removed the background. As you guys know, I haven't worked on my Cricut in months. But look like it automatically removes your background. I haven't, let's see, remove background to create ready to cut image automatically. Oh, it's a trial. Okay, I'm about to say, it's a trial. Okay, got me excited for nothing. I don't want to pay for that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make it big. It's not going to take too long, I guess. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Oh, I accidentally, then I'm gonna hit the undo button. I should have picked the easier image. I mean, it's easy, but I don't want it to take too much time. All right. With all this background on Spider-Man. And I don't know what would have happened if I wouldn't have took the background off. But let's just go ahead and take it off. I should go pick a different image. This is taking a bit of a time. And I just got it off of Google, so maybe next time I have my image ready. Let's see. Go down. It's a preview cut image. Let me see what it would have showed up like. Let's see. Okay, yeah, all that would have been shaded in, so I don't think that'll work. I never tried it before, but I'm almost there. Looks like. Alright, make it a little bit bigger so I can make sure I got all the like little spaces like right there. Make it a little bit bigger so I can see his knuckles and hand. Got that little one right there. And I'm not making this for anyone in particular. This is just for the live, so I guess it don't have to be perfect, but I don't know what'll happen if I do leave the spots, the background, so. If somebody asked me what am I doing with the images, I just gave the other one to my daughter. Maybe she can color it. The one with SpongeBob, she asked me could she have it. I'm like, sure, I use it for a little tutorial. Oh, see. So I guess my son would color this one. I think the lady, Miss Clark, she asked like 3 or 4 questions. I got the questions written down so I can go over them tonight, even though I answered her. But it's a lot of times with this Cricut thing, you understand it more if you see it, see it done. If you can see, instead of a lot of words, especially if you're new to it, that'll sometimes confuse you more. All right, look like, did I get that foot over there? Yeah, right there. All right, and that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's make sure. Uh-oh, too small. And I'm gonna crop the words at the bottom because I don't need those words down there. Right there. All right, let's see how it looks. All right, looks good enough to me, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and apply. Oh, that's what it looked like. Looked like I missed some spots up. Maybe, I don't know. But I don't want to take too much time. So let's go ahead and hit apply. And you're going to save it as a print and cut. Actually, as a cut image. You're going to save it as a cut image. Hold on, that didn't look too good to me. Look like it's a piece right in there that I missed. I don't know, but it looked like the spider is all joined together. So let's just see. All right, we're gonna save it as a cut image, and I'm gonna just name it PP. No, let's name it SP or SM, Spider Man. All right. Then you click on it, add it to the canvas, and there's Spider-Man. And since I'm just doing on regular printer paper, I want to make sure it's going to fit my print. I put in it at 9.5 height and 5 width. I leave that width where it's at. And one of the questions, let's see, how to change it from cut to draw or pen. Right here, I'm using a regular HP computer. Where it say operation, you're going to click on basic cut, change it to pen. Did you see that? Basic cut. You have plenty of options. Look like under the draw feature, foil, score, standard, basic. I'm using pen. I'm using pen. All right, and another question. Make sure, okay, that's all for now. All right, and you see how it changed? I don't know if you guys seen it. I want to make sure you, this is how it look when it's cut. Now, when I change it to pen, watch how it get lighter for like a pen draw. You see how bold it is? When I click pen, it lightens, it's like an outline. It lightens it up. Then I'm going to choose make it. I go over to make it. Let me move this out the way. And I'm going to open this on up. I hit continue. And this is how I did my Christmas cards as well. I don't know if I showed this group how I drew my name on the Christmas cards, but I did that as well. And this is my old mat that came with my Cricuts, and I've had it for a while, as you can tell. And so I'm gonna put the paper on there. Nice and sticky, good enough for me. And what I set my pen on, I put it on paper minus. Oh yeah, paper minus. And let me show you guys how I do it. This instrument right here, it goes down inside A. Whenever you open up, you'll see this stuck down in A. Oh, I don't want to do that because it's turned on. But to get this out, you're going to turn off your machine and pop it up from the bottom, and it'll pop right on out. Yeah, it pops right on out. This is the pen I'm using. I got this from Five Below. I'm sure any type of pen will work, but I like this pen. It's really good pen. But what I did is I used a Nerf bullet. This is just a Nerf bullet, but what people generally use is a pen grip. They call it pen grip, pen cushion. You can get them for Dollar Tree or Walmart, but they're little pen grips that look just like this. Except they come off. You get 5 of them for like $1. But it's just like this, but they come off, little pen grip. This one on this pen isn't wide enough, so I have to make it wide enough to stay stable. That was another question. How do you get it to secure? You just make sure you use something. I use, like I said, Nerf bullet, you guys. I use whatever works because I don't have any pen grips with me. And I wasn't running to the store. So I just put this down in there, but you want to make sure it is not low and touching, but you want to make sure it's in there because you gotta click your pen, and you just close it up, and it's in there nice and secure. That was one of the questions. So yep, and I just put this in there, make sure it's down, and on my computer, I'm just gonna go ahead and start it. Oh, it's actually waiting on me. You see that? It's waiting on me. And I'm going to go ahead and start it. Make sure it's up in there. And there's no fast feature. I hope this image doesn't take a long time. And I'm going to just hit that and let it start. Oh, see that? I don't have the pen all the way down. So I'm going to pause it. That's what happened. I didn't have the pen all the way down on this one, so I'm going to push it down a little bit more. And I'm going to stop it. I want to restart it. Because I do want it to look pretty decent. Even though it's not for sale or anything. I just want it, you know. Alright, let's hope it starts drawing in the same spot, which it should, because I didn't take it out or anything. See, yep, it started in the same spot, and it's nice and bold now. Just have to push your pen down a little bit harder. And I'm not sure how long this is going to take to draw, because Spider-Man have so many little nooks and crannies. So I'm going to go ahead and answer the next question, and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. These are some canvases I got from either Dollar Tree or Five Below. I know it looked familiar to some of you guys, so maybe you can answer in the comments. But this is, you get 3 of them for $5. I think it's from Five Below, but Dollar Tree have canvases too. And one of the questions was, how do you do the paint, you know, the paint and sip things? That's what some of you guys want to do. I never did the draw feature on the canvas, but you can do the draw feature. What I do on my canvas is HTV. I do HTV. Destiny, come here real quick. So yeah, I use HTV, which you just cut it out with your HTV and then iron it on. But a lot of people say the best way so you don't waste HTV, because you know it costs money, they take the staples out, which I've never done. I haven't even opened the pack. But they take the staples out. I don't have a marker. If I had a marker, I would definitely practice on this little one for you. Bring the Mickey Mouse like this. If I had a marker, I would definitely take it out and practice on it. But I don't even have a marker. But I wish I did. No. I have a red marker. That ain't gonna work. I want a black marker. But anyway, yes, you just lay your canvas, the actual canvas cover, the cover on it, on the mat, and you draw whatever you want to draw. And I think I'm going to play with that later on, probably next week, because we are planning a paint and sip soon. Instead of wasting all my HTV, I do want to practice doing that with a marker. So that video will be coming soon. And as you guys see, it's almost done. This is the Mickey Mouse one I did HTV. That's the HTV one. Heat transfer vinyl. I want to do them with markers, so we'll see. And I'm sure with the marker one, I'm not going to be able to do all the outline like on his ear. That might be too much marker usage, because this is a pretty big canvas. So, and I got, with this one, you get 2 in a pack from Five Below. And you see on the back, I don't know if this would fit under there. I don't want to try because it's doing it. But this might fit under there because on the back, there's no way to release the canvas. Unless it's tape. I never took it apart. It might be tape. But I didn't take it apart to see. And I'm going to see whenever this Spider-Man get done, can I put it under there? Or is it too thick? I'll see soon. Let's see. Another question. Make sure. Oh, yeah. I answered all the questions. Okay. Well, if you guys have any more questions, I'm going to let you guys see what it looked like in the end. Because it's going pretty quick. I should have picked a more faster image like I did with the SpongeBob. But it is okay. It's working itself out. And there's no way to speed up the speed for draw. I wish there was, but it's not. You know how you can speed up the speed for cut? There's no way to speed up the speed for draw. So... and that's what I drew for SpongeBob on my Cricut. Now I'm drawing Spider-Man on my Cricut. And it'll be just a minute. And I just started using this draw feature. Let me show you the cards I made while we were waiting. Well, I didn't make the cards. I just signed the cards with the draw feature. Alright, and this is what I did with the pen on my cards. So I just bought these pack of cards from Dollar Tree. You get like 14 for $1. And instead of signing it with my handwriting, because my handwriting is, I used the pen feature. I did it for the first time and it came out so nice. So yeah, I have to ship these off because Christmas is very soon. So yes, this is what it came out to look like, and I'm very happy with it. Maybe next year I can make my own cards. That'd be nice too. Oh, it's almost done. It's doing the outline now. Oh yeah, that came out really nice. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to use my, I'm kind of excited to use a marker on the canvas because, like I said, it saves money. Because to make this, I used like the HTV, and the HTV store in my town, I think they charge like $4 for a sheet of HTV. But look, that's how it come out. Nice and neat. That is the draw feature, you guys. Alright, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and I'll be in touch. Bye, y'all.